Hey, you're welcome. Has anyone ever told you as an advertiser that Facebook is not the right platform for B2B marketing? Well, that used to be true, but not anymore because Facebook just rolled out new set of B2B targeting options or segments that you can leverage on to target key decision makers of various businesses and various companies, and I'll review all of this in this particular video. So if you're an agency owner, a service provider, and you're looking for a way to target people that has money to pay for whatever thing you're advertising, then this is the right video for you to be watching. Or you sell high-ticket products and you are looking for rich people that can pay for your product, then you should also consider watching this video. Okay guys, so without further ado, let me review all of this new targeting option to you. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Yo guys, welcome back. Now this will be a very short and brief tutorial video. Before now, we used to use the page admin and business page admin option whenever we want to target rich and high net worth individuals on Facebook. But that used to work, but not anymore, because just anybody can be an admin of a page on Facebook. Probably you are managing a community or a church page on Facebook, automatically you are a page admin, right? So this is not a good option. So I think Facebook also thought of this and they rolled out this particular new set of audience segments that you can leverage on. So guys, before we delve into all of this new targeting option, please do well to like this video so that you can show it to more people looking for a similar video tutorial, similar video solution. And if you stumble on this video somehow, I would advise you also smash the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, because you do not want to miss any of my valuable video tutorial that I create every Thursday, just like this one that you're about to watch, because Facebook is constantly rolling out new updates. I need to stay informed, so do well to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so let's get started. So guys, I'll just create a demo campaign. What I want to show you here in this particular video is these targeting options. Okay, so I'll just click on sales, then continue. Okay, now let's get started. So you can do all of your setup. I have so many tutorials already on targeting, but I just want to show you all of these new targeting option. So the first one here is IT decision makers. IT decision makers. Can you see? Now look at this. It says, or it reads, let me click on this. Oh, now look at it. It says IT decision makers is a B2B audience segment that target ads to people who are IT decision makers based on their job titles. So if you offer a service that you think IT industry or IT companies will need, then this is the right audience for you to target. I hope that's very clear, because this set of people are the ones that will make the decision whether to get or pay for your service or not, whether they should hire you or not, if you be of great benefit to their business or company. So that is one option, right? Now another option, or the second one, because they rolled out 4 new audience targeting for B2B industrial marketing. So the next one is business decision makers. Can you see it here? Business decision makers. So this is a B2B audience segment that targets ads to people who are business decision makers in engineering, IT, operations, HR, strategy or marketing, based on their job titles. Can you see? So if what you are selling or advertising falls into any of this category, then you should go for it. All right, as I've said, this should be a very short tutorial. Now to the next one, which is business decision. Now this is kind of similar to the previous one. Business decision maker, titles, and interest. Can you see it here? So this is kind of similar to the previous one, but here look at the description. It says this is a B2B audience segment that targets ads to people who are business decision makers based on their job titles and interests. Can you see the difference? So this is based on both job title and interest, while this is based on just job titles. Do you get it now? Okay, so the last one is new active business. New active business. Now this particular one is actually more of different segments, you understand? So this is just okay. Let me just read what's it called. Let me read the description. Admins of engaged, listen, admins of engaged, not just admins of businesses, admins of engaged businesses that were created in the last 24 months, and this is in the last 12 months, and this is in the last 6 months. And of course Facebook has the data set that they use to actually identify these businesses, because there are some business page with reviews and all of that. So it is kind of very different from the previous one you used to know. Can you see new active businesses? So these are different segments. You can decide to go with any of them depending on the strategy you are trying to use. So just go with one of them. And don't forget, Facebook has over 200 million businesses on their family of apps. So there is a way they do all of this data collection and analysis to determine who is who on their platform. So guys, these are the audiences. I would advise you check them out, you test it. Of course, you don't just use them, test it to see how they will perform for your campaign. Very, very important. So guys, here is the thing. You see, Facebook is currently rolling out a lot of updates on their platform, and it is very easy for you as a newbie to get confused and just waste your hard budget. So you need to make sure you are running your advert in such a way that you are sure of profitability, because that's the essence of running adverts. So if you actually want to do that without any form of guesswork, I would advise you go get my Facebook ad course. This will give you high return on your investment. So to do that, just go to adeleke.com/Facebook-ads. And maybe you want to contact me directly, you can also do that on Instagram at AdelekeSamuel01. So guys, before you go, I would advise you also check out these two videos on how to write compelling Facebook ads copy and how you can create or produce an attention-grabbing Facebook video as creative. And lastly, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment, share with your friends, and also smash the subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.